Hong Kong authorities charged 7 people and 2 companies Wednesday over the city's deadliest fire in decades. AP reports the charges include manslaughter and conspiracy to defraud. The massive fire engulfed 7 apartment buildings at Wang Fuk Court and killed 168 people on November 26, 2025. Former residents and relatives have spent months waiting for answers after the blaze shattered the Thai community. Authorities said police and the Independent Commission Against Corruption charged the suspects with 25 counts. AP reports the allegations also included money laundering, attempting to pervert the course of public justice, and tax evasion. The 7 people charged played different roles in the major renovation project at Wang Fuk Court. The 2 companies charged were Willpower Architects Company, the project consultancy firm, and Prestige Construction and Engineering, the main contractor. The 7 defendants were brought to court Wednesday afternoon. Authorities said they included directors of the charged companies and a registered inspector connected to Willpower. The legal case is unfolding alongside an inquiry into the fire's cause. A lawyer representing the inquiry previously said almost all fire safety systems failed on the day of the blaze because of human error.